Clogged AC drain lines cause water backups and need a straightforward, safe fix you can do with basic tools. Start by turning off power to the air conditioning system at the thermostat and the breaker to prevent the fan from running and to avoid electrical risk. Locate the primary drain line at the indoor air handler and follow it to the outdoor termination. You will also find an access T near the indoor unit with a removable cap. Use a shop vacuum or wet vacuum at the outdoor termination and seal the connection as tightly as possible by wrapping with a towel or using a short piece of rubber hose to improve suction. While the vacuum runs, pour 1 gallon of water quickly into the indoor access T using a funnel, so the suction pulls the loosened debris out toward the outdoor end. After a minute or two of vacuuming and pouring, stop the vacuum and pour another half gallon of water into the T to ensure the trap refills and that the line flows freely without gurgling or slow drainage. If the vacuum does not clear the obstruction, try a soft nylon drain brush pushed gently from the indoor access toward the outdoor end. Then repeat the vacuum and flush steps. Common mistakes are applying power to the unit while working, which risks injury and compressor damage, so always shut off breaker power and verify the system is off before touching the drain. Another issue is poor vacuum seal at the outdoor termination, which reduces suction. Solve that by creating a tight connection with a towel, duct tape, or a short length of hose to minimize air leaks. People sometimes forget to refill the condensate trap after clearing the line, which allows airlocks and slow drainage. Always pour additional water to re-establish the trap and confirm steady flow before restoring power. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we share practical tips like these and real user experiences. We help contractors find work through project leads and community interactions that build local visibility for their services.